Guys, welcome to another video on my channel, and today we're going to open Sun and Moon Unified Minds and Sun and Moon Lost Thunder. So let's get cracking.
Let's get cracking. You managed that, yeah?
Yeah.
Good lad, you got it, you got it. What do you get? You get one card, one pack and one coin. Let's have a look at this thing.
And the code card too.
Ah, yeah. And the code card. There you go. And yeah, I don't know who that is, do you?
I know who he is, but I forgot.
Can't think of it. Okay. Okay, open up the pack. Okay, there we go. Yep, got that.
Oh, upside down.
That's it, you got it. That's it, turn
Energy.
Hang on, I can't see them.
Electric
Come back here. Hang on, I'll come over here.
Electric energy.
Yep.
Giant bomb.
Cool.
Bug catcher. He's in Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu.
Is it?
Mirror Spirit, Alolan Grimer, Hoothoot, that's Zapdos,
Oh, yeah.
Carablast, Honedge, Pikachu. Oh, that looks a cool Pikachu.
Yeah. It's a different one, isn't it? Oh,
Deepwell and
Oh, sweet.
Terracoin one. Wait, what? Terracoin one. Wait, that's Moltres.
Yeah, you got a couple of them there. Hang on.
Yeah, and this is Zapdos. All I need.
A Dweeble, is it? I can't
Dweeble
focus on
and-
that. Oh yeah, Dweeble and a Terraclon.
Yeah, do you see this Hoothoot and the Dweeble, yeah?
Yeah.
This is Zapdos there. That
Yeah.
is Moltres there. And
Oh,
all we'll need to do is get Articuno and have the whole 3 legendary birds.
Oh, very good. There you go. That's not
last
bad
pack.
then for one pack, is it?
What?
That's not bad out of one pack, is it?
No. It's good.
Yep. Baby, don't hurt me, don't hurt me no more. There we go, you got them. Okay, we'll come back over to here and we'll have a look at the code card. There you go. You get that now, can you manage? Well done. There's another code card in there, isn't there?
Yeah.
So what, they're for the cards game that you
Yeah.
don't play. Yeah. Okay. Well done. Oh, we got another. A Salandit. A Salandit. And
Phone.
a code card. There we go.
This is
And
phony.
He's a phony, is he?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
I think he is, yeah.
Okay, Kelly, you do them.
Water energy.
Water energy. Sightseer, is it?
Sightseer. Witchner. Fluffy. Routes. Dedenne. Candace Quill.
Cylindrical, I thought, is it? Go on anyway.
Pineapple.
Like a pine cone.
Yeah.
Eevee, is it? No?
Yeah, that's Eevee.
Ah.
And Alolan Meowth. And
Alolan Meowth.
Slowking.
Ah, very good.
What?
Ah, who is it? Can I have a look at it?
Yeah,
I should have put up the main lights there because it's very hard to see with them. It's a Slowking.
he's using a move that is not. I think it's Shadow Ball.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ah, a Slowking.
Yeah.
Okay, and what was the second last one there in your hand?
Alolan Meowth.
A Alolan Meowth. Yeah. That's a cool card actually, isn't it? I like the card. Has a kind of a 3D effect on it.
Hey, what is there?
I like a 3D effect on the green.
Oh,
Yep.
yeah.
Okay, good. Sign us out.
Bye.
Bye.